Here we are in a screen recording. I figured I'd do one.
It's only us.
So, this is what I want to look at.
You know what that means?
Today, they have an enhanced risk in eastern Texas, slight risk, expanding out from that one, and a marginal risk, overlooking that one. So this is one of the setups. We're not in it, of course, today, but they have a 10% hatched for a strong tornado, which is, today's December the 26th, 2024. So I guess we're having severe weather after Christmas instead of before, and we're actually going into our winter months, our coldest winter months. But here we are today. It's almost 60 degrees. It's almost probably 61 degrees. It's warm. It's not cold at all. And today we have this. This is on the table. You know, you got a 10% hatch right there in eastern Texas, 5% into north, east, and west Louisiana, southern Arkansas. So, and then you have your usual other ones that go with it. Hail risk, 15% in eastern Texas. And then your damaging wind, which is 15% in eastern Texas, north and central Louisiana, and southern Arkansas. And then you have day 2. So we have a multi-day of severe weather. Tomorrow looks like southern Mississippi, southern Alabama. Well, actually, southern and central Mississippi, southern and central Alabama. It's right there on the line. And you see where it's at. Then between Alabama and Mississippi, the southern parts of it. And that day you have a 2%. Oh yeah, nice creeper van. 2% tornado risk in the same area of the marginal. And then we have a 5 on hail and a 5 on wind. So it looks like mostly that one ain't too bad. Then you have the day 3.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
I was going to ask you if you wanted to play some catch or whatever, since I have a glove.
So then you have an enhanced risk in eastern Louisiana, central Mississippi, and a little bit of west central Alabama. Now this is a day 3. You know, them are pretty unusual to have them kind of setups. You see where the marginal risk, it doesn't really get to us yet. Don't know if it'll expand to cover us or not. We'll have to see, you know, what does happen. So, I just thought I'd make a video. You can see the, let's go over a little bit of let's go over to moisture. Right now we have abundant moisture right in the area. So you can look at observed thunderstorms because it's showing the R there. Looks like 70 over 68. So they have a lot of dew points there. So they're right in that area. And anyways, you do have a low right there. Right there. It's not very strong, but it's still enough to cause some severe weather. If you look, oops, not what I was wanting. Forgot how to do this. Oh yeah, watches. You do have a tornado watch in Texas. A severe thunderstorm north of that. So you can see today we've already had 2 hail reports in Texas. So So let's go on with her. Look at her 300 millibar. You can see it's showing a lot of defluence in that area. So you can get that rise in motion. 500 millibar. You can see the axis right there. Jet streak coming around. And there's already some there. Let's see, 700 millibar. Oh yeah, you can see a definite shortwave right there coming through. Right there. So 850 millibar. It looks like it's cranking up. Right in that area, 40. Yeah, about 40 knots. 30 knots there. Yeah, about 40 knots. So you can see surface base cape, definitely 3,000 to 2,000 right into the area. Let's look at the outlook area. The enhanced risks, definitely getting some surface base cape starting to impinge on the area, right on the northern part of it. Oops. Let's look at a mixed layer cape. It's about the same. It's starting to come up into the area, about 1,000 joules into the enhanced area. Let's look at low level lapse rates. They're not really all that good in the enhanced area. Let's look at mid-level lapse rates. They're a little bit better. Significant tornado parameters. They're about a 2 in the southern part of the enhanced area, about a 1. Yeah, I mean, it's just supercell composites. They're at about an 8 in the enhanced area. So I mean, let's look at the bulk shear. About 60 knots. Oh yeah, definitely got enough for organized storms. Let's see here. 0 to 3 kilometer helicity is about 200. No, about 300. So we definitely got some helicity. Surface base helicity is about 200. So we got enough for tornadoes. So as you can see by this, you definitely see that there is some, there's the low right there. There's the low at 10:06. It's a small warm sector today. The front's coming on through. Right up in there, the top part of it, near the low is, so you can see that it's see if they got any mesoscale discussions. Yeah, they got severe threat. Storm intensify across southeast Texas. Relatively highest near-term tornado threat is near the front and near the low. Then they have a severe hail. Wind risk continues. Some uptick in intensity possible towards 21 to 00Z, 3 to 6 p.m. So, anyways, I just figured I'd make a video on some of these setups that we're getting into. I don't know if there's the new day one. Let's look at it. This is just, you can see it's a little smaller, but I mean it's still going. Oh my God, I feel like crap. There's a new day one. So I mean it does have the ingredients there. That's for Saturday, they're talking about it. Looks like mostly Tuscaloosa, well, a little west of Tuscaloosa, highlighted area. This is Jason Simpson. I remember him from April 27th. Close to the highest threat level will be. It was on the eastern side of the risk area. It's possible that some additional areas could be occurring to enhance risk. General expectation: some storms with potential for strong damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes late Saturday afternoon. That's them. It's not us, but still there. I mean, river their outbreak along the lower Mississippi River Valley is possible, featuring risk for strong tornadoes. Quite an impressive setup for this time of year, pictured by the HRRR, a tight wound up shortwave and strong instability in the atmosphere. So there's Cape with photographs. And that's probably the belt of flow. Now these are models. I'm not really sure how this is really going to turn out. We're not in it, but still there, it's pretty close. Yep. We'll see how it goes. Of course, there's James Spann. The reason I follow them is because, yeah, they're further out west and south of us. Main concern will come Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. And I like to see what's coming our way. So we'll have to see. Yeah. Best possible case is that a morning round of storms will keep the air relatively reduce severe threat. Worst case for a little morning rain, some sun and higher instability values going in the afternoon. Yeah, he's trying to keep the panic down, which is good. But we'll see what happens. I'm not really sure. I mean, I don't know if anything will happen here or not. We'll have to see. So, I'll be at work that day, but I'll get off that night. So if I start this antibiotics, hopefully it helps me get over whatever I have. All right, but anyways, that's about all I got on that video because some idiot's starting to shoot. So let's see what they say with this. So short wave through southern plain. See what they say about Saturday, if anything. Gusty winds possible Saturday night through Sunday morning. Not really saying anything about severe weather, just saying storms with heavy rains and gusty winds. For us, anyways. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, I figured I'd make a video for this setup because, it's it's getting pretty serious here. Got a enhanced risk on a day 3 out to our west, and that's normal in the winter for setups to happen that way. So it's not like it's abnormal. We just have to keep an eye on it, see what happens. So anyways, I'll see you probably in the next video.